Dmax and Dminimum can help you find maximum number or the minimum number from very complex data, and that's what we are going to talk about in this particular video. Well, basically we are going to talk about four things in this video. The first will be maximum, then minimum, then Dmaximum, then Dminimum. Although we have already told you about maximum and minimum, yeah, but I'll cover one more time. Also, the main thing will be Dmax and Dminimum. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. This is the 30th video in this MS Excel course, and in this video we are going to talk about maximum, minimum, Dmax and Dminimum. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, this is a demo data of school. This is basically a mark sheet, and now I'm going to show you how you can find out maximum and minimum first. Although I have already told you that how to use maximum and minimum formula. You just have to write is equals to and write max, and here's the formula, right? Max and bracket open. Now there is two options. First, you can just select all the numbers by one go and just close the bracket and hit enter, and you will get the maximum number, right, which is this. Also, if you are not able to select all the numbers by one go, then you can do one thing. Let me open the formula again. Okay, let me just start with is equals to, type max, bracket open. The second thing you can do is select the numbers one by one like this. Select first, then comma, second, comma, third, comma, then fourth, comma. No, yeah, we do have only four numbers. Bracket close and hit enter. You'll get the same answer, right? So these are the two ways, or these are the two methods by which you can use max formula, right? Now same goes with the minimum as well. You just have to write is equals to, write minimum or only min, bracket open, and select all the data. Because it is in row, that's why I'm selecting in one go, and just close the bracket and hit enter, right? Now you can just drag it like this, and all the number, or you can say the formula will be applied all the cells, in all the cells, right? Now let's say as I've already told you that if you want to select number one by one, then how you will do this, like is equals to maximum, bracket open. Now let's say you want to select the numbers from different categories from different students. Let's do like this, comma, then this, comma, then this, comma, then this, comma, like this, right? So this is basically when you are selecting numbers from different places, different categories, right? Which is not in a single row, which is not in a same row. Then you can use this type of method. Then just close the bracket and hit enter. You'll get the answer, right? So that's how this maximum and minimum works. I hope you understood. Now let's talk about Dmax and Dminimum. Let's go to another sheet. I have prepared one sheet, which is this, which will basically tell you that how you can use Dmax and Dminimum formula. This is basically a clothing store's data. This is clothing type, then their material, the size, color, and the pieces they have left in their store, right? Now we want to find the maximum of total piece and the minimum of total piece of particular categories of particular article, right? You can say of particular clothing type. Now let's say we want to know the shorts, which is the material is cotton, and how many of those pieces are left in our store. So we have to find this. So this is basically a condition, right? So this is the type, basically this is the clothing type, and then the material should be cotton, and how many of these pieces are left in the store. So now we have to use Dmax formula, right? Just hit is equals to, write Dmax, bracket open. Now it will ask for the database. Database is this. We have selected the database. Now hit comma. Now it will ask for the field. So from where you want to find out the data, right? Which is basically field. So field is total piece, right? Hit comma. Then you have to select the criteria. So criteria you have to write separately like this. You have to note this thing, that you have to create a criteria separately. You can't just select the criteria from this data, right? You have to create a criteria separately, so that in future you can change the criteria and the numbers or the data or you can say the answer will be changed automatically, right? That's why we have to create the criteria separately. Otherwise, everything will be blundered or messed up. Just close the bracket. Once all the things are added, hit enter, and the answer is 0. Let me just check once. So guys, there was a bit mistake in that sheet. That sheet was not working properly. Now I have added that, I've just copied and pasted the data in another sheet, and now it's working properly. As you can see, it is showing 67. Let me show you again. Just delete this and write is equals to dmax, right? Bracket open, select the database, then comma, then the field from which where we want our answer, right? Then comma, then we have to select the criteria, and the criteria is this. Bracket close, hit enter, and the answer is 67. And why it is 67? Because we want that find out the shorts which is in cotton, and what is the total uh, pieces of these shorts, right? Which is cotton shorts, and what is the total number, what is the total pieces, right? So let me just show you. The first one is this. Take format printer and show you which are the first one is this, and then we have to come down and find the shorts which is in cotton. This shorts and this, right? Now we don't have shorts which is in cotton, and the maximum number was this 67 pieces, and that's what which is showing here, right? So that's how this dmax formula works, and same goes with d minimum formula as well. Let me just show you by adding is equals to dmin, bracket open. Now it will ask for the database, same as the previous one, right? Select the database, then comma, select the field, then again comma, and then select the criteria, and bracket close, hit enter, and the answer is 12, right? As you can see here. So I hope you understood how this dmax and d minimum formula works. Also, if you change the criteria, the answer will also change. Let's say I change this into, so let me just do it in silk. As you can see, the number is changed because we do have shorts, silk, and the quantity is 87 pieces. So that's how you can customize your criteria, and you don't have to apply formula again and again, right? So that's why we create criteria separately. I hope you understood. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.